Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. What are we going to be making today? For this project you're going to need some prints. I bought these on Etsy. They were very inexpensive, and then I had them printed at Staples because the color is just so much better than using a home printer, and it was very inexpensive. You're going to need some scrap cardboard, some glue sticks, some jute, and a whole bunch of embellishments. So just get into your stash, grab your glitter, grab your rhinestones, your buttons, your silk florals, mini pine cones. All the stuff that you're seeing here is from the Dollar Tree. Your pearls, some little berries, snowflakes, whatever you got. And we're just going to have a lot of fun making these beautiful Shabby Chic Christmas ornaments. I'm making them for a Christmas baby shower, and we're going to decorate the tree with them. If you don't have any printouts like this, I mean, you could go to Etsy. They're inexpensive. They're instant downloads. You can use old Christmas cards to do this. It's just a lot of fun, and it's actually a craft you could do with your children or your grandchildren. Now I'm just cutting these out, and I'm leaving a little bit of the white border around them, so it gives me that little extra room because I like to surround the ornament with some pearls or some of that rhinestone ribbon or gingham or some you'll see, jute, whatever. But I just like to do a pretty little border on each one. Now I'm taking some scrap pieces of a cardboard box and I am gluing them with a glue stick from the Dollar Tree. There you go. I like having a white background, so like your leftover reusable priority boxes are always good. Or you could just take white chalk paint and you can paint the back. I'm going to cut them out now. I just love how pretty they are. I didn't even embellish them yet, and they're just so pretty. So my favorite part of DIYs is the embellishing. And if you watch my videos, you would know that because it's just, I love to bling them out and make them girly and feminine. And I'm just always and still in love with the shabby chic look. I like to cross over with shabby chic and farmhouse. Christmas time, I really love the feminine light pinks and the mint greens and aquas and even the Tiffany blues. And I use those colors for Christmas. I'm not really into the green, the Christmas tree green and the red, even though I put splashes of that in my house during Christmas time. I have a huge white flocked Christmas tree. I mean, it's green, but it's so flocked. I think it's 12 feet tall, and it's just my favorite tree I've ever had. I just cherish it. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm taking the Dollar Tree ribbon and I am just putting a border, like a frame around this. And I do this with all of my ornaments. You'll see that I'm going to do it with the pearl ribbon from Dollar Tree and also the rhinestone ribbon. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax. If it's the evening you're watching this, grab yourself a glass of wine and just enjoy. And this is just something to inspire you. Of course, you can put your own little bling in the colors that you love and the designs that you love, but it's a very simple ornament to make, and I enjoy it. I find it extremely therapeutic and relaxing. I make them all the time. I used to sell them at my craft shows. People loved them, and I use them as gift tags as well on my Christmas packages every year. And I see them on my family and friends' trees because they love them and they keep them. So enjoy. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. You can also make these with the Dollar Tree Farmhouse calendar. I know people have been saying that it's been hard to get their hands on those. Well, I scored big time at my Dollar Tree. I walked in, they just had them delivered. I grabbed a whole bunch of the Farmhouse ones. And if you would like to win one, I have a giveaway going on a couple of my other videos. So go look through the videos and look for the giveaway and just follow the rules and you could win one of those calendars. Okay, so sit back and relax and watch me embellish these. Now I'm taking the Dollar Tree pearl ribbon. It has 5 rows and I'm just trimming it down to 2 because a 5 is too big for this little one. So I'm just gonna frame this one out with a double row of pearls. Now I like to embellish each corner, not all the corners, like 1 or 2 of them. So I have these leaves that I turned in, they were Dollar Tree florals, and I had, you'll see it in one of my videos where I turned them into like the color of lamb's ear and put a little glitter on it to give it like the lamb's ear look. So now I'm cutting them into like little leaves from the bigger leaf, and I'm just gonna like embellish the corner with this and maybe some pine cones and some flowers or some pastel buttons and some sparkly glitter, snow, pearls, berries. Just give you some ideas. This is just to inspire you. Of course, you'll make these with your own, the way you like them, the way it would matches your Christmas decor. Look how pretty this looks. I just love the way this is coming out. Somehow I lost a clip where I just put a little jute on the back to hang it from the tree. And here are the final results. Here are just a few samples of what I did. See, I have the jute on that to hang from the Christmas tree. I don't know what I did with that footage. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. It helps my channel grow. And now for the final results. Thanks for watching.